Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Maths is not a spectator sport. You hear this saying all the time from maths teachers and professors, but what does it actually mean? This is one of the biggest mistakes students make when studying maths. You open a textbook, look through the examples, and you understand them. You appreciate the method, and maybe you can even solve one or two questions by yourself. Or maybe you watch someone doing maths on a YouTube video. You follow along, everything makes sense, and again, you can do a practice question or two by yourself. You enjoy them doing maths, right? You can really appreciate it and enjoy maths when you're watching it being done. But then exam time comes around and suddenly your grades are low. Or the question is slightly changed and now you're completely stuck. Why does this happen? It's because maths is not a spectator sport. Just watching maths is not enough. It's the same as watching professional sports. You can watch Ronaldo and appreciate how amazing he is, but that does not mean you can step onto the pitch and play like him. You can watch LeBron James dominate a basketball game, but does that mean you can suddenly do what he does? You can watch tennis all day. That doesn't mean you can walk onto the court and play at a high level. Maths works the same way. You do not become good at maths by watching it. Sure, you appreciate it, you enjoy it. The way you become good at maths is by doing it. The more problems you solve, the better you get. The more practice questions you attempt, the stronger your understanding becomes. One major problem is a student gives up too quickly. They open up a question, right? They work on it, and after 2 or 3 minutes, they get stuck and immediately look at the solutions. But that struggle that you go through trying to solve that problem is the important part. That uncomfortable feeling of not knowing what to do, that is where the real learning happens. When you struggle through a problem, your brain is building problem-solving skills. And every time you resist looking at the answers straight away, you become a better mathematician. So next time you get stuck on a maths problem, don't panic. Sit with it, think, walk away, have dinner, go do something productive and come back to it. Try different approaches, struggle with it, and only look at the solutions after you've genuinely tried it. Because the more you practice this process, the faster and better you'll become at solving problems. Thank you very much, everybody. If you found this useful, please do like, comment, and share, and hit that subscribe button. Bye-bye.